YouTube, welcome back, guys. So I'm at the client's house right now, and then his second row C. This one is 2000 what? 2006 Lexus GX470. So a lot of internet they fixed like how they cannot fold down, but on the left hand side you cannot fold it forward like that vertically. So today we're gonna troubleshoot and find out what's the problem. Probably one of the cable became loose, so that's why we won't allow him to fold it upward. So let's go ahead and dive into it and then see what the problem is. Okay,
see,
so
this is, see how it's locked?
Yeah.
This is to put it back down. Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna close it. See? It's all in one motion.
Alright.
So
Was it hydraulic? That's that thing, right?
yeah, to keep it, I guess.
To not fall down. We're gonna start on this side. Hopefully we can get into the screw hole. So it's like a Phillips screwdriver.
Yes.
Yeah, that one.
The angle here. Yeah. For all the screws.
I got one on this side. There's one over here, so it's kind of hard to get into. Let me turn the light. Yeah, there's one over there. I gotta get into it, so I gotta use both hands. All right, after we remove both of the screws, there's a cover right here for the release leveler. Need to take it out. I think there's a hidden screw in here, so gotta remove that plastic cover. All right, remove the plastic cover already. Wonder how do I get the screw? Should be a screw in there to remove the leveler. Yeah, so there's a Phillips screw that's holding the leveler together, or the handle. Alright, somehow we try to take out this cover, and then we press the C, and then we hear a click sound. So it's like something is loose, but we're gonna take apart and check it out again and see. I just need to pop this clip right here on the side right here in order to remove this plastic cover. And then there are the two clip holes on each side, one right here and one over there. And then we try to inspect the cable. But the cable is tied down correctly, so there's nothing loose. So we're going to test out some more and then find out what the problem is. So this is the long screw that was from the leveler of the release. Okay, it's super long. But by the way, I got to put the cover in first to put this in. Yeah, you might want to put some like a WD-40 or some kind of grease. Maybe somehow this cable got caught in there, so it won't close right or fold it up correctly. So we put all the screws in there, and then I'm gonna put this cover. Yeah, make sure there's a groove right there in the hole. Just snap it back in, and that's it. Alright, so the problem was that the customer did not put the seat all the way down in order to hear the click. This one right here, it didn't lock in all the way. So while we tried to repair it, and then he accidentally pressed down the seat all the way down, and then we hear a click, and that would allow him to fold it back up again. So with this one, it's kind of crazy. The mechanism is one way only. You got to fold it down, and then there's a quick motion and allow you to fold it back up. So I guess we fixed the problem. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one like always. Peace.